You arrive at a field you've never played at before, and guess what? Your camo is all wrong. Don't worry about it. I got a cheap, easy solution. Watch this video, and I'll tell you how to do it. Now, what am I talking about? I talk about these things called Camo Wraps. They're actually repurposed ace bandages. Check this out. It doesn't stick to my skin, it doesn't stick to my gun, but it sticks to itself, which means when you take it off, it leaves absolutely no residue. It's really easy to put on. You can apply it in literally minutes. And when you're done with it, just take it off. It adds a nice cushioned surface to your gun, and the cool thing is, it's a really nice grip. It's comfortable to hold on to. And once you're done with it, you can take it off, and it's reusable. You want more protection for your hands? Just wrap a little bit around it. It's very comfortable, it breathes, and is fairly thin. I know quite a few players who go out on the field with different weight BBs in their magazines for their gun, and they put duct tape on the magazine to identify which magazine has the different weights in it. Duct tape leaves a nasty residue, but with this camo wrap, you can put it on there and identify which magazine has which weight BB. And when you're done with the game, you can take the camo wrap off, and it leaves no residue. They come in bright colors so that you can wrap your grenade or your magazines so that you can find them after you drop them or throw them, and there's no sticky residue left behind. So not only in these bright colors, but they also come in a whole bunch of different camo colors. I got different shades of brown here, all over the place. I got like a marzipan pattern, even a green pattern. Anything that you want. And check this out, guys. You can go to Walmart and you can spend about $10 a roll for this stuff. And the affiliate links I'll give you below, you can spend less than $1.50 a roll, and you can buy them in quantities of up to 12, 30, 40, whatever you want. So if you enjoyed my channel, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you click on those affiliate links and look at these patterns and see how much they are, and maybe grab you a few rolls. Thanks for watching to the end. I appreciate you guys, and check it out. I got another video right here that'll show you a few really cool spray paint techniques that you can use to spray paint your gun. Shreq out.